What is up, guys? Welcome to another exciting episode of Outdoors Nation TV. I have an awesome episode for you guys today. We're gonna be going out to do some pan fishing out here on the Wolf River. Beautiful day. It is actually 46 degrees out right now. I'm waiting for my buddy Lucas, and we're gonna be going out fishing out here. We should have a good day. Just got down to school, so we're just gonna run out here and do some fishing for a little bit. Hopefully get on some panfish. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you guys go do so. Go turn that post notification on and go like this video, guys. Stay tuned to this video, guys, and let's get right into it. So let's go. Can I get 2 things of wax rims, please?
Have a good day.
Yeah, you too. Got the juice.
Get you good time, even if it takes all night. Pass that bottle around the campfire, sipping apple bottom moonshine, drinking up my guitar just right. Everybody.
Look who finally decided to show up. Go. Jigs are working. I'm pulling these average ones through. They're not any big though. Oh my god. Alright guys, I just caught this is probably my biggest perch I've caught before.
Put on the tape. See how big it is.
She is 12?
You gotta put it like up there.
Oh, is that
Like 11?
10?
Yeah, it's like an 11.
Around an 11?
Yeah. This thing's huge.
Holy shit. This is about, what do we say, 11?
Yeah, it's 11 inch. It's a nice fish.
About 11 inch perch. Hope we get more of these guys. We might have to move you might have to come over here too, honestly. If we keep getting these, let's throw this in the bucket. Beauty. Everything's this size. All the gills at least. Hmm? Jesus Christ.
You get the whole.
Very good.
Things are aggressive.
Yeah, that's a nice one. Yes, sir.
Look at the gills, they're so red.
I know, that's awesome.
Boom.
That's a big. We just gotta weed through these gills. We are on them, guys. Catching gills. Oh, guy.
This is a nice guy.
you want a picture?
It's an 8.5, but it's solid.
I felt it come out of his lip. Yeah, it's probably little ones.
Maybe keep that one.
Huh?
Maybe keep that.
Yeah, I mean, cool pumpkin seed. Cool color on this one. Everybody's leaving.
I don't know why these guys are leaving.
That's a keeper. That'll keep. Nice little, or not little, but nice pumpkin seed right here. Really cool colors on them, if you can see that. Nice bright fish. We'll add that to the collection. Kinda, yeah. Big perch. Probably a 9, 8.5. Beautiful perch here. Awesome fish. Let's keep going. Oh. Alrighty guys, that is a wrap for the video today. Had an awesome day out fishing. I mean, we didn't catch a bunch. I didn't show everyone on camera either because we went through so many little ones that it would have been an hour-long video. But we caught some nice fish. Lucas caught a nice perch and bluegill, and I also caught 2 very nice perch and a nice pumpkin seed. So just an awesome day to be out fishing. Just ran out after school to get some fish on the ice. Got a nice pail full of fish, and that was that. So that's all I got for you guys today. This might be one of the last times I'm going ice fishing this year because here in Wisconsin it's starting to get really, really warm out. Like literally this upcoming week is supposed to be 40s. So it's kind of crazy to think, but I'm excited for that because that means walleye fishing is coming soon. That's all I got for you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you guys go do so. Go turn that post notification bell on if you guys are new, and go like this video, guys, if you like ice fishing. Comment down below if you guys had any luck this year. I haven't had much luck if I really think about it. A couple of really good days out in the water, but besides that, it was just average year, nothing over the top. Yeah, so hope you guys have an awesome night, and I'll catch you guys in the next episode of Outdoors Nation TV. Have an awesome night, guys.